What if I told you that speed just got a new definition and luxury just changed forever? Say hello to the 2026 BMW M4, a machine that blends beauty with beast. A design that dares the future and a powertrain that defies logic. This is not just a car, this is a revolution on four wheels. And you are about to witness it. Welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. Your time means everything to us and we promise it will be worth it. Sit back, relax and allow yourself to dream, because today you are not just watching a car. You are stepping into a vision crafted by passion and precision. Wherever you are right now, I hope your dreams stay alive, may your journey to success be unstoppable, and may the car you love someday become the car you own. Never stop believing, because with focus and action, anything is possible, even owning a car like the all-new BMW M4. The 2026 BMW M4 is not here to compete, it is here to dominate, redesign from the ground up. This masterpiece is where iconic motorsport legacy meets cutting-edge innovation. The moment you see it, you know this is something special, a machine that speaks to the soul of speed lovers. Let us start with the exterior, bold, aggressive, and unapologetic. The new M4 features a sharper kidney grille, slim laser headlights, and an aerodynamic silhouette. Every curve and line has been sculpted for speed. Precision meets power in every inch of this aggressive front fascia. From every angle, the new M4 commands attention. The widened stance, the muscular fenders, and the flowing roofline give it a race-ready presence on the road. It is a design that does not whisper, it roars. It is not about being flashy, it is about being unforgettable. Step inside and you are in a cockpit, not a cabin. BMW has completely reimagined the interior. The 2026 M4 greets you with a curved display floating across the dash. Premium leather meets carbon fiber, and ambient lighting dances with your senses. This is driving redefined. The technology inside is just as thrilling as its looks, a full digital interface gesture. Control advanced navigation and a sound system that turns every drive into a concert. It is not just luxury, it is intelligent comfort that knows what you need before you do. Under the hood is where legends are born. A turbocharged inline-six engine pushing out over 500 horsepower, xDrive, all-wheel drive, and launch control ready to pin you back in your seat. From zero to thrill in seconds, this is performance that ignites your adrenaline. The handling is razor-sharp and the feedback is instant, whether on winding roads or on the track. The M4 connects with the road like a dancer with the stage, precise, agile, and always in control. It is not just about speed, it is about mastering every turn with confidence. BMW packed this M4 with intelligent safety systems, lane assist, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking, all designed to keep you safe without taking away the thrill. Driving the M4 feels like having a guardian angel with a need for speed. With a starting price projected around $80,000, the 2026 M4 is a serious investment. But what you get is more than a car. You get performance, design, legacy, and pure emotional connection. This is not a purchase, it is a reward for ambition. The M4 has always carried the torch of performance. Since its debut in the M series, each generation pushed limits and broke barriers. And now the 2026 model continues that legacy with more power, more precision, and more presence than ever before. It is history in motion. The 2026 BMW M4 is not just another sports car, it is a statement, a fusion of aggressive design, brilliant engineering, and luxury that pushes boundaries. If you are chasing greatness, this car will lead the way. It does not just move you, it transforms how you think about driving. Thank you for watching until the end. Remember, greatness is never out of reach. Keep working, keep believing, and keep pushing forward. One day, the wheel you dream of will be in your hands. If this video inspired you, give it a like, subscribe, and join us for more journeys into the future of cars.